Before you sit, please pick up the pieces of paper under your chair. Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Class rules. First, listen carefully. Be quiet. Pag galing sa salita si teacher, dapat tahimik lang. And acidic soil daw, ito daw yung largest particles ranging from 0.05 milliliters to 2.0 milliliters. At yung texture daw niya is dry and gritty when you touch it. And the sandy soil daw is best for plants such as oregano, lettuce, rosemary. Silt. Ang basa. Silt is the largest particle ranging from 0.002 to 0.05. It is usually gray in color, has a smooth powdery texture that is easily blown away during sunstorms and carried away by the water in seas. Sandy soil is ideal for plants like roses, sapphires, and ferns. Ang sandy soil naman daw ay ito yung the next largest soil particle na nag-range ng 0.002 millimeters to 0.5 millimeters. Ang kulay daw ng silt is kulay gray. At ang texture daw niya ay smooth, powdery texture that is easily blown away during sandstorm. At ang silty soil daw is best for plants such as roses and daffodils. Clay, contrast. Clay has the smallest particle and the finest texture among all soil types. With less than 0.002 millimeters, it feels smooth. It is reddish brown and darker brown in color and sticky when wet and hard when dry. Clay soil is ideal for fruit plants, succulent, red sky, and ashes. Okay. Ang clay soil daw, ito yung smallest particles and the finest texture among the soil types. Ito daw ay nag-range ng less than 0.002 millimeters, making it feel smooth. At yung kulay daw nito is reddish brown or darker brown. Ang texture daw nito ay ito ay sticky pagka hinawakan. Ito yung sticky pagkabasa. And pagka dry is hard. Ang clay soil daw is best for plants for saluyot, pechay. Next. Loam is a mixture of sand, silt, and clay particles. It feels roughy and moist when you touch it. It has better water holding capacity than other soil types. It is the most ideal type of soil for gardening. It is dark in color, soft, dry, and roughy. Ang loam soil naman ay ito yung balance ng sand, silt, clay particles. At ito daw, pag ginawakan daw to is para, pag ginawakan daw to, para siyang, nagmo-moist siya, parang moist. Tapos ito daw ay merong better water holding capacity sa mga iba pang types ng soil. Ang loam soil daw, ito yung best plants for gardening. Kasi madami daw ang nutrients kumpara sa ibang types of soil. Tapos ang kulay daw nito is dark in color, soft, dry, and cloudy. What is sand? What is sand? Sand? Alam mo kayo kung ano yung texture ng sand? Ano po siya? Small particles falling into the water. Di ba